Hi, my name is Mrs. Long and I teach 4th grade. Today we're going to discuss area and perimeter. The area is the number of square units that covers a specific surface. It is measured in square units. And as you see, we have units squared. The little 2 up here shows that we're going to reflect square units. We're also going to talk about perimeter. The definition of perimeter is the distance around the outside of a shape. So it's important to remember that when we're talking area, we're talking about the inside of a shape, the surface or the measurement of space inside a shape. Perimeter is the distance around the outside of a shape. So let's look at area first. When we're learning about area and learning how to find area, it's important to remember to find area, we're going to measure length times width. So if I have a shape that's 6 inches long and it's 2 inches wide, we multiply 6 times 2 and the answer is 12 inches squared. Because if we look back at our shape, we actually have 12 squares within that shape. When we're finding perimeter, it's important to remember that we're talking about the distance around the outside of a shape. And to find perimeter, we're doing length plus width plus width. Another easy way to remember that is we can just multiply the length times 2 and the width times 2. So if we have a shape that's 8 meters long and 5 meters wide, we can do 8 plus 8 plus 5 plus 5. Or 2 times 8 plus 2 times 5, and that gives us 26 meters. So I'm going to have you try one on your own. I want you to go ahead and look at this, and I want you to pause the video right now to give yourself a chance to go ahead and see if you can figure out the area and perimeter of this shape. All right. That should have given you enough time. Remember, when we're finding area, we're doing length times width. So we would be doing 9 times 7. And that would give us 63. But to label the units correctly, we're measuring this in units of feet. And we're talking about square units. So we need to make sure that we have that indication of square. Perimeter, we would do 9 times 2, because 9 times 2 plus 7 times 2, we're talking about the distance around the outside. That would be 18 plus 14, and that would equal 32. Now, because we're just talking about the distance around the outside of the shape, it would be 32 feet. Well, that's it for area and perimeter. We will be doing assignments in class, and we will be putting our skills of area and perimeter into practice. Thanks for joining me today.